Today, I'm going to show you guys one of the awesome facts you guys would never actually know. But first, do you guys know that both a golden sword and also a wooden sword both match their attack damage? Also me, I'm confused guys at this one cause like people think that gold is actually stronger than wood, but then turns out they're both the same. And also a stone sword is actually stronger than a golden sword. And did you know that redstone, gunpowder, and also glowstone dust? Yeah, they're all the same but different colors. If you like try to see their size, you guys actually know it. And did you know like any coral block, they will never dry out once you cover them with something. Check this out. You see this one right, dry it out, right? But if you do this, just wait a minute. If you do this, it will never actually run out. No matter what block you cover them with, they'll never actually run out. You see, this block never dried up. But check out this one. Look, this one is long, but look, check it out. It already dried out. See ya.